Greetings of the day, everyone. This is Yogesh Mehta, final year student at IHM Delhi.
This is Priya.
As you know, the International Hospitality Expo 2026 is currently going on in Greater Noida. We have some of our colleagues there.
So let's connect with them.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Maitri Baranwal, a final year student at International Institute of Hotel Management, Delhi.
Okay.
Can I have a few questions with you?
Yeah, sure, please.
Okay. So, can you tell us something about your business model and your brand?
Actually, business model is just first time it is started in the UP.
Okay.
ये आपका हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है ये आपका लखनऊ में हमारी वाइनरी और मीडरी सेटेड है जो एशिया की सबसे बड़ी ऑर्चिड इंटीग्रेटेड मीडरी है। ये मीडरी का सेटअप जो हमारे फाउंडर्स के ऑर्चिड्स हैं मैंगोज के और अदर्स उसके उसी के सेंटर में हमने इसको बनाया है अपनी मीडरी को एंड देयर वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग बोथ मीट्स प्रोडक्ट्स।
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So, if someone wants to start a business like yours, what type of startup model it would be, and like what would be the estimated investment that will be required?
Estimated requirements I can't say. Actually, I don't have any exact figures right now. So, but anyone wants to start, then can go ahead with the government's guidelines through the excise policy.
Okay.
All undertaken by the excise only.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
And which target market or customer segment does the startup primarily focus on?
Sorry. Pardon?
Which target market or customer segment
Okay.
does it focus on?
Actually, it's a very premium and very pure alcoholic, organic alcohol beverage. So we are targeting the literate and young Gen Zs, kind of.
Okay, that's great. And are bank loans or any government startup funding schemes available for this model
Yeah,
of business?
government is doing the more of facilitating the entire. I think all kind of business. If you start, then they are helping us.
Okay. And what's the kind of return on investment that one can expect from this kind of business model?
Actually, it's a different category of business. If you say about the manufacturing, there is a different margin. If you go to the wholesales, there is a different wholesale margin. If you go to the retail counters, then there is a different, and all set by the governments only.
Okay, that's great. And the last
If you
question.
will go through the UP excise portals, then you can get the all details clearly.
Okay, thank you, sir. And just the last question. Do you have any tip or advice for a student like us who wants to venture in such segments?
Yeah, if students wants to start,
Yes, sir.
yeah, they can start. This is an alcoholic business, and there is some norms which we have to follow. Like some आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट्स का एक कैटलॉग देखा जाता है उसमें और उसमें बहुत सारे प्रोसीजर्स होते हैं लाइसेंसिंग में. So if you pass those TNCs, then you can go ahead.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. It was really a lovely interview with you. We look
Thank you
forward
so
to
much.
see you again.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.